आपका पूरा चेहरा दिखना चाहिए।
Uh,
अब ठीक है। हाँ हाँ
ऐसा
हाँ हाँ, ये फर्स्ट क्लास, फर्स्ट क्लास। एक्सीलेंट, excellent, excellent, excellent. Welcome to the Sports Star and the Hindu podcast. Not podcast. This is called what? Instagram,
Instagram.
Insta Live, Insta Live. आप मेरे से better हैं इसमें. I'm very
Not
poor.
at all. I think you people are far better. I'm ignorant totally.
नहीं नहीं, you are a champion. You are a champion. मुझे there are some questions I have been told जो आपको जवाब देने ही हैं. One is now you're on the other side of the media. You know, you are a media analyst yourself. How do you look at it? I mean, being in a position where you may have to sometimes criticize players and some great players or some upcoming players. How do you look at this new role?
I think you don't have to criticize. You have to be honest to yourself. Whatever you know, just behave yourself. When you have liking and disliking for somebody, then your voice change. If you are true to yourself and whatever the game you played and you know, you speak on that. And you don't have to make anybody happy. You don't have to make anybody unhappy. Is my job is to give opinion from my best judgment, and that's it. That's the only thing I always say, is that when you are want to say something which is not there in your mind, then you start fumbling. To me, I feel, say what you know the best.
Yeah. And if I take you back to your playing days, how was your relationship with the media? मतलब I was very lucky, मेरे को comments मिल जाते थे, पर मेरे से पहले बोलते थे कि no, it was very difficult to get through to Kapil Dev.
Not really. I don't think so. I think we were more friendly. What I seen in last 15 years, I think it's partly a fault of media also, and partly, the situation have changed. When you come out and do very personal stories, if I allow you to come to the bus and being a captain and you can be with the team, you don't release the inside story, because no player would like certain things. Like if I say, you don't have to share your bedroom story. And when media start doing that, 20 years back, then I think the players start drifting away from media. But in our time, I think so many times you people used to travel in our bus also.
Yes.
We used to come to the press box also and chat. So many times we want to send a message across back home, we used to come to the media, because we didn't have technology what everybody have today. So I think time was different. And again, uh, we never try to release the inside stories. And then we seen too many inside stories were start coming in, which was not very good for the team. And that's the only difference, I would say.
Yeah, because today's generation may not believe if I tell them that I have traveled with you in the team bus.
Because I think they distant themselves, because you start doing story, because the competition among media is so much and pressure on every company is so much, and they ready to do the stories which is not even true. And then you start feeling, let keep the media away. There's no need, because we given them chance. But again, the inside stories which it start coming out, which is not very good for the country or for the team sometime.
Yeah.
Misunderstanding take place in the team. You can see in the bus also. But those stories are not for everybody. It's like brothers misunderstanding in the bus. It should be remain there.
Correct. Like you may have stories about us also.
Yeah, but those things, it should not come out in public. And whatever we meet you, you have to do your job to best of your story, what you see on the ground. And we meet you, okay, that's your job. You have to do that. We never, I think, become personal. Sometime when in our time, media used to give a personal comment, we used to get hurt, definitely, no doubt about that. But again, when you get mature, you say, let it go. It all this carry on in this world. You move on in life.
Yeah. And see, most of us have known you as Kapil Dev, a great all-rounder, and you took time to become great. But when did you become Kapil Paji from Kapil Dev?
I think when I took as a captain, first to us, always only one Paji was there. That was Bishan Paji.
Yeah. Yes.
Right? That's
Yes.
what we know. In
Yeah.
everybody come from south, he's Anna. Doesn't matter who comes, small or young, but that's what it happened. When I become a captain 82, a lot of my young players coming from North India, and they feel very uneasy to call with the name. I never called Bishan. I said Bishan Paji. Paji, how are you? The same, it started from there. I think when I become a captain, they used to either say captain or they say Paji. So Paji was a very easy thing to give respect and recognize. Even later on, they used to call Sachin also Sachin Paji. I think
Yeah.
it was surprising because it's a total different thing. And then everybody called Sachin also. South Indian also called Sachin Paji.
Paji.
It was amazing to see that Paji name is carried so good.
Yeah. Yeah. And so who was your Anna from the south?
Oh, I used to call Bharat Reddy Anna all the time, and Venkat was Anna at that time. Anna, like I can call him Anna, or he was a skipper because he was a much more Englishman than anybody else. So it's like when I was young, Vishwanath was my hero, and I used to say, Vishy sir, you can't even say. Later on, when we played for a few years, you become from sir, hi Vishy, how are you? But I don't think so I could call Kiri also with the name when I met him in the beginning, because they were so senior to me.
Yeah. And what about Tiger Pataudi?
I never played with him, but I did little bit of work with him on television, and that's it. I think we were so much awe about Tiger Pataudi. We used to look up to him, what he's going to say next.
Yeah. And recently you made a comment that you were inspired by Viv Richards with this new hairstyle, the new look. So how was it? What is your relationship with Viv Richards, who was a very devastating batsman? And at the end of the day, would you chat with him? And how much difficult was it bowling to him?
Oh, on the field, I didn't want to see his face. I will do anything to take his wicket. But off the field, I used to love him. I think the way he played his cricket, you admire. And he is a great friend of mine. Till today, if we meet, we have a wonderful time. But on the field, there is no compromise. I used to be more happy to take a wicket of two players. Vishwanath won when he was played against me in domestic cricket, because he was my first hero in cricket. And then Vivian Richard. I want to do anything to take his wicket, because you want to feel heart and heart. He's my hero, and I want to one up on him.
Yeah, and you are leaving out Mr. Gavaskar.
I think what happened at that time, Vishwanath given me so much thrill. And Gavaskar, as we start playing, we realize that how big he is. Because when I was in school, Vishwanath's name was, perhaps the name had so much power at that time. Yes. And when I played with Gavaskar, after 3 years, I start recognizing his ability or talent, and we say, God, he's technically so sound. Sometimes you get awe by the name. Sometimes you start respecting the ability of a person. And I must say that if we learn professionalism in cricket, that was Sunil Gavaskar. Because he was so precise in everything. I come from a very rusty background, so I didn't know anything about cricket at that time. I had a passion to play, but nothing more than that. But Sunil was something we can say, we want to see small things, how he prepared himself, and never faced any genuine quick bowler. And then he start getting runs, and when you start looking him closely, how much time he has and how good he is, then you start enjoying. Sometimes you don't value the people who play with you. Actually,
Yeah.
you don't value. You see, he's one of us, right?
Correct.
But as time goes, you say, man, wow, what a cricketer. Look at Sachin, look at Rahul, look at Virat Kohli. When you play with them, you may say, "ठीक है, it's okay." But
So
later on, you realize they were like a genuinely a cricketer. We are lucky to play with them.
right. And if I may ask you, if you have to bowl to Sachin, what line? And if you have to bowl to Virat, what line? I mean, will you? Obviously, you will bowl.
I don't want to
differently.
bowl to them. I don't want to bowl to them. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I remember I bowled to Sachin when he started playing Ranji Trophy. I come in there. He hit me one shot, I still remember. I bowled slightly up, and that time he used to hit upish straight away. He hit me straight on the mid of, left side of the screen, straight six. I said, God, man, in heart and heart. I was very angry, but I said, how the hell he hit that shot? 90% pitching outside the off stump, moving away. People can struggle, but he was so good. And Virat Kohli, I think he's a mixture of Sachin Tendulkar and Vivian Richard. Some of the shot what he played is unbelievable. All these cricketers, if you say the best defense, if I would say Sunil Gavaskar. No comparison at all. And when we say ruthless approach, in our time, Vivian Richard. Absolutely. He used to, his attitude was, he's a fast bowler and you are a batsman. He used to give you that impression. And then Sachin Tendulkar has the ability, a defense and attack also. But Virat Kohli come out with a shot, what you can mid-wicket flick to the fast bowler.
Yeah.
I mean, every cricketer come out something great. That was his great. And Vivian Richard, from the outside the off stump, he could hit you, flick a square leg. And Sachin Tendulkar, every time he pushed the ball, as if it's not hitting, he's pushing the ball in the gap and 4 runs in the mid-off, straight drive, cover drive. He never given me impression sometimes he's going for the boundary. He's just coming into the line and pushing. I think every great player have something to offer.
Yeah, and one shot which strikes you from Virat's batting, in the sense he does play all the shots, but one particular shot which stands out.
He come on the front foot, fast bowler, hitting over the mid wicket, one bounce 4. I think that was normally we play that shot to the off spinner, flick on the from the pad. He can do it to the fast bowler. I think when I've seen few shots about him on the front foot, flick. Most of the fast bowler will flick near the umpire. He could go right side of the mid wicket. I think hats off to him. I can't hear you. Your voice is gone. I can't hear you. I don't know if you can hear me or not. I can see you, but I can't. Yeah, it's nice dress you're wearing.